Hey guys, I'm Alice and this video is about my personal Inktober challenge. But first, I had a bad cold the past few days, so I could not really prepare for Inktober or draw anything in the first few days. So let's keep this one short so I can start creating. So this is the third year I'm attending this challenge. And fun fact, it actually was Inktober that made me fall in love with this medium. And ever since, I hardly do anything else. So in the first years, I never used the prompt words. I just drew what I wanted to. This year, I want to stick to the prompts. But, I want to spice it up a little bit. The one thing I want to improve on the most right now is storytelling. So I was thinking, what if I take 3 prompt words at a time and create a mini comic out of them? So that would be Ring, Mindless and Bait for the first mini comic. I want to take like 1 day for story development and planning, 1 day for penciling and 1 day for inking. And yeah, this will be a very ambitious project. And now that I speak it out loud, it just sounds even more intimidating. But let's just give it a try. To be honest, I was seriously thinking about not attending this challenge at all. I'm not a big fan of this constant fear of not finishing this challenge among so many artists who attend Inktober. Because not finishing equals failure. This is so ridiculous. Just let's think about it for a second. We humans should be afraid of, wild animals and spiders, things like that. But a fun art challenge you can accomplish from the safety of your home should not be a source for stress or anxiety. In the end, if it's just way too much pressure after 1 week or 2, I think it's no shame to say so. And if I am able to create at least 1 comic strip I like, this will be a huge success.